guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the big book of the dinosaurs and the prehistoric life. This time, guys, it's none other than Iguanodon. But well, before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And also, guys, if you like dinosaurs, if you like iguanodons, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman's channel, which is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the end cards. And well, guys, let's go. Let's get into this. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. So let's go ahead and let's mosey on down here. Up at the top, we have the title of the collection, The Big Book of the Dinosaurs and the Prehistoric Life. And guys, this collection is from National Geographic, and it is distributed here in Buenos Aires, Argentina by Clarin, which is a newspaper from here. And guys, in the middle, as always, we have our new dinosaur coming out of the National Geographic logo, the Iguanodon. And guys, this is the number 12. If you would like to see the previous 11, all you have to do is check out the playlist, which will be in the end cards in the end of the video. And well, let's continue on. Here we have a nice artist rendering of what an iguanodon might have looked like. It looks really cool. And over here we have a summary of the contents of the magazine. And well, guys, let's continue on. well guys, that's the end of that. Just have the credits there. And here guys, on the back we have, as always, the title of the collection, the big book of the dinosaurs and the prehistoric life. And we see down here, the next will be the Pachycephalosaurus. Yes, that's a mouthful, guys. Well, stay tuned for that. It'll be the number 13. So make sure to stay tuned, have those notifications turned on, and you'll be notified as soon as it goes up. And well, guys, let's go ahead and let's open up our brand new dinosaur. Guys, we have everything out of the plastic, and now it's time for an up-close look at our new Iguanodon. Boom, there he is. He looks really cool. There's the front and the side. And I'm going to show you also the top there, which you can see there. And I'm going to show you the back as well, with his tail there. And to the side there. What do you think, hun?
It's cool.
It's a cool dinosaur.
The grandfather, the great grandfather of the iguanas.
Oh well. And guys, I also wanted to show you that different parts of the dinosaur moves. The tail rotates a bit, not as much as with some of the other dinosaurs, but well, also the legs bend a bit, like this, back and forth. And the front legs also bend like that on both sides, and the head rotates slightly, not very much. But well guys, that's that. I'm gonna put him back down here on the table so we can see how he stands up by himself. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman's channel, which is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the end cards. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.